everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer fee credit to a bond payment. To do this, you can go to a Guardian's details page and then click on the Payments tab. This will land you on the Payment Credit tab. You're going to select the payment type System, Other, and in the Payment Reason drop-down box, you're going to select Transfer Fee to Bond Payment. This will only apply for Guardians that are currently in credit at your service. Next to the applicable enrolment, you can enter in the bond payment. Please ensure you have entered in the amount next to the enrolment that has the bond charge payment. If you wish to update the payment date, you can do so accordingly. When you have completed all actions, you can click Make Credit Payment and click Yes to confirm. When clicking on the Statement tab, you will now see the entry of $500 debit removed from the Guardian's fees to apply to a bond. When we view the Guardian's customer account statement and scroll down to the bond payment summary, you will see the transfer fee to bond and the payment. This will apply now the bond payment against the current bond that's held. Scrolling up to the current account transactions, you will see under the applicable child's enrolment, the transfer fee to bond payment. So you can see $500 has been debited off the Guardian's current credit amount for that enrolment to be applied against the bond. If you wish to have any further information on how to transfer fees to bond, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.